Hello, welcome to the Exorian Project Manager Basics. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a project plan from scratch. This is for folks who have found themselves being elected as the project managers but have no experience or not very comfortable with using Microsoft Project. I'm going to show you the very basics. So we're going to get going here. Okay, these links here are important. I would recommend, if you haven't done tutorial number 1 yet, do this tutorial. Click on this link, it'll take you to this YouTube clip and they'll talk you through how to create your project charter. The charter basically is identifying what the scope of your project is. What is it you're creating or building? After you've done that tutorial, I recommend that you do this one here. Number 2, building a work breakdown structure. This is an exercise where you go through using stickies to identify the different pieces when you decompose your project into smaller deliverables, what they look like, and that's going to be important. This particular link is the one where that I'm going to use as far as the work breakdown structure goes to build my project plan, so that we can have continuity. And this is, of course, how to build a project plan. So let's get going. All right. Now, just for clarity's sake, this is the work breakdown structure I was talking about. If you click on that link, you go through this particular clip. It's 5 minutes 42 seconds long. This is the project that they use as an example. Smart Music Armband. Smart Music Armband has sub-components or summary level tasks. The brown stickies here: main system, power, display, software, etc. For each summary level task, there are smaller deliverables that belong to that. So for main system, what they're saying is they need to build a motherboard, build a processor, build flash memory, and you go down the page here. So what we're going to do is create a project plan using this. What I did here was I went into opened up Microsoft Project. This is Microsoft Project 10. Clicked on File, clicked on New, blank project, create, and what you get is literally a blank sheet. In fact, I'll go ahead and create a new one. New project, create. Okay, this is what it looks like. We're going to grab this bar here and drag it to the far right. We don't need that right now. And there's a column I'm going to add here. These are different columns of information that we input and that Microsoft Project automatically calculates for you. It does a lot of work in the background. To add a column between these two here, between any two columns, you pick the column on the right of the break where you want to add insert the column. You right click. This drop down menu gives you this list. You pick insert column and it gives you a choice here. I'm picking successors. I type SUC. It takes me right down to the item right away. Enter, and now I've got predecessors and successors. I'll tell you what those are in just a moment. Another column I like to add is called percent complete. Insert percent complete. That way I can track how I'm progressing on my project. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and click File, Save As. We'll go ahead and do this. We'll call it Armband 3. You can see I've done this a couple times. Okay, save. Now, one other thing that you're going to want to do, I'd recommend highly that you do is, let's see which it's in here. We're going to go ahead and click on this cornerstone and go down here where it says New Tasks, Manually Scheduled. I'm going to click on that and we're going to choose Auto Scheduled. Okay, you want to do that. That makes your job a lot easier. Okay, now we're going to start adding our tasks. Now the first item we're going to add is Smart Music Armband. That's the name of the project. So we're going to put that on line item number 1. Okay. Smart Music. Okay. And beneath the Smart Music Armband, we're going to add the summary level tasks, the brown stickies here. I'm going to go ahead and add those now. Okay. Main system, power, display, Here. Okay, I'll add the rest of them and I'll come back to you in just a moment. Okay, so we're back now. I've added the other summary level tasks, and this is what they look like. Now, what you want to do so you can distinguish between summary level tasks, the project name, of course, and the individual subtasks is you're going to indent. So I'm highlighting all of the summary level tasks. In the task ribbon, the schedule section, we go to indent, and we indent those items. You see how the Smart Music armband turned into it bolded, and they added this sort of roll up, roll down icon here. I can roll the project up, I can roll it down. Okay, so these are the summary level tasks. Join me in tutorial number 2 to see what happens next.